Hey guys, James from SIKKY Manufacturing. If you're swapping an LS into just about any BMW chassis, we've got a power steering line kit that's going to make your life really easy. Let's take a closer look. This power steering line kit was made from the best components to ensure the highest quality. The high pressure line in this power steering line kit is stainless braided with a nylon coating for abrasion resistance, as well as these high quality AN fittings. The power steering line kit also comes with this low pressure line that goes down your rack from the reservoir. The kit also comes with the two fittings you're going to need to screw in your power steering rack, as well as the fitting for the back of the pump. We also include this hose clamp to attach your low pressure line to the reservoir. We also include a clamp and a self-tapping screw so you can mount the high pressure line away from headers and secure it to the frame rail. To learn more about this BMW power steering line kit or the other power steering line kits we make for many other makes and models, log on to sikky.com or get in touch with one of our knowledgeable sales reps today.